This is in the Hall of the Mountain King. This piece is very famous, and it was composed initially for the orchestra, and it is part of the Per Gynt suite, composed by Edvard Grieg, Norwegian composer. And the reason I'm recording from this angle, because it includes many octaves, like the whole keyboard will be used for playing this, so I cannot have very good view from above, so I'm recording from this angle. So first check where we will play. We will play in this octave, almost the lowest A. It is second on my piano. This is the lowest A. So then I find second one on the keyboard. And then just check A minor chords everywhere. And last one should be here, the last minor chord. So this is where we will be playing. And hear how it sounds. You probably will recognize the piece. So first I will perform it for you. Very cool piece, and it is enjoyable to play it, and it sounds very challenging, but it is not easy to learn it because many phrases will be repeated. If you check very beginning, you will notice that left hand plays mostly only two versions of the bass. So first version would be A and E. Again, make sure to find second A. On some pianos you don't have this very last A. If you have very last A, move one octave up. Here will be the location. So check the left hand, starting from the beginning, and it will be second measure, A and E. Notice in measure 5 we move to C, G. In measure 6 back to A, E. Measure 9 back to C, G. So we already played almost half of the piece, and we played just 4 notes, A, E, and C, G. So, and easy to count. It is 4 quarter notes, and we will count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure not to play on the edge of the keyboard of the keys, and not bouncing much. So mostly playing by fingers, keeping the hand in the middle of the position, here in the middle of keyboard, and playing staccato by fingers. Then right hand, again very easy. We'll start from A, 5-note scale. Make sure to notice D sharp, then D natural, B flat. So it is moving like half step. Again, A minor. In measure 4 and 5, fingering is very clear. So if you don't, from measure second to measure 4, to fourth measure, you will notice that it is the same phrase after that will be repeated in many octaves. So here I'm playing from measure 2 to measure 4. Notice that there are many accents, so please do them, because it imitates this mountain king who is quite old and maybe limping slightly. I slightly exaggerate them. Then check the next phrase, 6th measure. Again, notice it is completely the same, just different octave. So it means that half of the piece is already learned. Now check the measure 10. We move to note E. Then we need to repeat, but when you are repeating, make sure to play it much softer. I want you to notice all sharps. If you hesitate, like G sharp in the measure 11th, will be played twice. If you hesitate, just put sharps there in the music. So let's check the left hand. Again, very easy. Will be E and B. Occasionally will be EC. Back to E, B. So you need to learn here only 3 notes. E, B, and C. And just notice when they switch. Here is the demonstration from measure 10 to measure 13. Like that. And here I'm playing by both hands under the tempo. Then we are moving to measure 14. And measure 14 is completely the same as the beginning, just in different octave again. So we learned this already. And again, moving octave up. And only last measure will be different. So first learn the left hand. It is dominant, ED, and then tonic, AC. The last note is A. Play it by third finger, because it is sforzando and needs to be very loud. It is like percussion sound. And the right hand is G sharp, E, and finishes on A. And make sure to notice it is octave higher than it is written. So this is the very end. Make sure to realize what is sforzando. It is SFZ abbreviation. We have only one sforzando at the very end, so it is the loudest accent. Sforzando is a sudden, strong accent on the note or on the chord. Before you will start practicing this piece, check the little exercise. The exercise is on page 12. This exercise is theoretical exercise. You need to make sure to find A minor. And then playing it, you need to announce what are the key numbers or chords, like that. First chord, then counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. This we are doing for finding fifth step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. On the fifth step, we are building E major chord, which is dominant. Sorry. Then we play dominant 7. Then no third, no fifth, A minor, dominant, and A minor again. Thank you.